How to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Bluetooth and device connection and then click on Bluetooth. In here, you'll find settings of the specific device. Simply click on it and forget it. After that, simply click on Pair New Device and then pair the same device. Make sure the device you're trying to connect is visible. After that, simply connect and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time. Thank you for watching.